All right, everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. I wanted to do a quick video on 8 meme coins that I've doubled my money on. But first, I want to mention that this video is sponsored by Cratex Exchange, a great small cryptocurrency exchange I've used for several years. I list my own project, Baby Penguin Coin, on it. Very reputable, credible, so check them out, especially if you're a new project looking for a place to list. Cratex is a great starter exchange. All right, so the first one I want to go over is SquareCat. All these are going to be on Avalanche. Avalanche was very, very hot. I'm not going to go over the project, like a review type video. This is just to show you what ones that I've invested in and that I've doubled my money on. And that's kind of like my investment strategy with these. I invest a small amount. I did invest $50 in Cock in a Box, and I made $2,000. So you can still make good money. And I did a video on that, so I'll leave that at the end of this video as well, so you can check it out if you want. But SquareCat is one, and I'll leave the link to SquareCat and all the other ones in the description of the video as well. And this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own thing, your own due diligence, guys. I'm just telling you what I do. So I started off with 50. I'm up to $100 now since I made quite a bit on Cock in a Box. So I did double. I take my initial investment out and I let the free tokens ride, playing with house money, so I don't have any risk in it. SquareCat is one on Avalanche, and liquidity burn, contract renounce on all these, and they're at this point they're pretty high in market cap. This one's 1.2 million, but these can go 100 million. Like Cock Inu, and can go up to $1 billion. You never know. So it's worth the risk. I don't have any, my own money at this point. I'm just willing to risk the initial investment, and hopefully, it'll grow. So the second one is Wolf. You can see here it's on Avalanche, and they have all the website here. It's Land Wolf specifically, and you can check it out with the links to the description of my video. And if you like this kind of content, guys, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It would be much appreciated. Doesn't cost anything. It helps my channel grow, and I appreciate it. Just as if I were to help or watch somebody else's channel, I subscribe. I try to support them, and I appreciate the support. So you can read about Wolf on their website. You can get it through the the deck screener, but I'll leave it here. You can get the contract address. You can read about it yourself. Okay, next one is called AVAX Has No Chill. It's a big one. It's 42 million, so it's up there. But I did double, so I'm letting it ride. Definitely a legitimate project, obviously. And it's pretty big, been growing. You can check it out here. You can see the tokenomics and the contract announced, liquidity burned. Next one, I really like this one, Gecko Inu. Really like it. They have a staking DApp, so you can stake your Gecko Inu on it. I actually have made not only doubled my money on this, but the free tokens that I have in it are now worth almost $400, and that is being staked on their DApp. So it's great. Whoops, pressed the wrong one. I wanted their website. So you can see on their website, you can connect your wallet. You launch the pool, and here's their DApp here. And it's a minimum of a 7-day lock. If you take it out before then you'll get penalized. I'm not sure what it is. You'll have to do your own due diligence on it, but it's pretty cool. I like Gecko Inu a lot myself. It's one of my favorite ones. Let's see. I think it's not too bad. 20 million market cap. So still has a lot of room to grow. And I think they have a launch pad coming out. Check them out if you want. Kimbo on Avalanche. Double my money on that one. And really hasn't really done much since I doubled my money. But, you know, they're developing. I think it's a pretty big one, too. Yeah, 32 million, so it's pretty much up there. But these are all safe to invest in. No rug pulls. All contract renounced, liquidity burned. Let me know what you guys are investing in as well, what you look for in these meme coins. And check out my Cock Inu video. Cock in a Box video where I tell you about how I turned $50 into $2,000. That was pretty cool. So Coven, I doubled my money on this one. I was way up on this one, but it fell back down and I took my double and left. But I still have my free tokens, and it's kind of been trending down, all the way down. You know, when you see something like this, and again, guys, I'm not a chart expert, but eventually you're going to see a big green candle at some point. You know, it's a falling wedge, and you know, if I was to take a guess, probably down in here somewhere. I'd wait for a double bottom off of this red candle here. But that's just me. Let me know what you think. I've been, you know, my $100 is probably worth like 60 now. So I'm definitely, I'm losing on my free tokens, but we'll see what happens. It's not costing me anything. All right, and I have doubled on Majin. I like Majin, but again, it's kind of got a falling wedge going here. Not too bad. It's kind of leveled off. Hopefully it'll go back up. This one's still small. This one's only $1 million market cap. So still has a lot of room to grow. Check out their website. You know, there's really not much to the website. Just tell you about the tokenomics and everything, and you can get the contract address. All right, let's see. My last one is Brev, and I doubled my money on this one. Kind of an interesting chart here. It looks like it's going to pop if you draw a line from these peaks down here over down here to these bottom of these candles. So, but we'll see. It's still very small, only $117,000 market cap. So this is definitely got tons of room to grow. Let's check out the website here. So you can find out a little bit of information, the contract address. Contract renounced, liquidity pool is locked. And, you know, they got a little bit of a team there. So still a lot of room to grow on Brev. I have my free tokens invested. Let me know what you think, guys. What meme coins are you invested in? How do you look for these meme coins? I covered that kind of in a box on that video. So I just wanted to go over these meme coins that I've doubled my money on. And also I wanted to mention my Discord channel. I'll leave a link in the description. My server there, I talk about and I post you know, high risk, high reward projects that I just launched, and I try to make them safe. You know, the ones I post I try to make safe. I also have a honeypot channel there too, so you know which ones, or at least some are that I post are scams. You can to stay away from. So check that out. Come by and say hi. You can also post, you know, your own finds there as well. Share with the community, and hopefully we can all get together and make some money. All right, thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Much appreciated. Subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.